Hello my friends, I have an unboxing from Columbia Candle Supply. Here we go. Beautiful. I love the wax melts. Natalie Shockley is the owner. Do not forget, if you're going to order, use InkyMac15 for 15% off of your orders. And let's see what's inside. She's usually freaking, the way she packages the stuff, it's like layered perfectly. No matter how much they kick around the box, everything is still layered perfectly. Alright, so let's see what's in here. Move out the way, move out the way. Alright. Okay. Oh, I almost punched one of these guys in the face. Alright. See how nicely layered everything is? And the colors are so pretty. Cotton candy. Oops. Very pretty. Another cotton candy. I do like sweet scents. I heard somebody call a sweet scent disgusting recently. And look, to each his own. But I was kind of hurt. I was like, oh no. Sugar Rush. Is it? And then some more Sugar Rush. Ooh. Then Lemon Fizz, which is Avobath type. And Avobath is one of my favorites, as a matter of fact. Some of you may know that I'm making wax melts, not for sale at this 10 seconds. I'm not really thinking about selling them, but I did it because I can never have Avobath and Rose Jam at my leisure anytime I want it. So if I make my own, then I'll have those two scents. So I placed an order for fragrances. I've already made a couple, but I placed an order for fragrances, and the largest bottles were Avobath and Rose Jam. And then we have Rose Gold, which is the Rose Jam type. Got two of those. Then we have Flower Bomb, Sex Bomb type. You guys can tell I do like my Lush. These are all Lush dupes. Death and Decay, beautiful. And then again, Death and Decay. So pretty. Then a second layer, because that's how amazing she is. She makes them nice and layered. We have Grape Blow Pop. This is, the scent on this is mixed with something else. It's mixed with something else, but I can smell the blow pop through it. And the other scent that it's mixed with, I'm trying to figure out what it is because it smells amazing. Is it this one maybe? This is the Sultan. Yes, it's this one that the scent is sort of like mixed together. They've been too close together in the box, and I don't mind it. Oh, how pretty is this? This is Twilight Dupe Midnight. This is like a perfectly square, beautiful piece of wax. I always love when I get the scent. Clean Sheets. Yes, Clean Sheets. This is not a dupe. Then it looks like a little sample of Lime Neroli. Haven't had that one yet. Yeah. And then Marshmallow Fireside. I'm sorry, Blue Raspberry Marshmallow Fireside. Just to let you guys know, I don't know which ones of these she sent free, but she usually sends like a good amount of samples. Sometimes it's like the whole bottom layer is samples, and she separates the ones you ordered by the bottom layer. So if that is the case in this case, matter of fact, let me go check. And just as I thought, this right here, I ordered none of these. So generous, so generous. All right, so what did we have? We have Blue Raspberry Marshmallow Fireside. We have the Grape Blow Pop. We have Clean Sheets. All of these will have a video. Sultan, Midnight, and Neroli, Lime Neroli. Then we have my favorite, Avobath, which is really called Lemon Fizz of hers. We have the Decade. We have another Decade. Rose Gem, or Rose Gold as she calls her version. Cotton Candy. Flower Bomb. Oh my gosh, just the whiff of the stuff wafting up at me. It smells amazing. Then we had Sugar Rush. Oh, Sugar Rush. Listen to that. Listen to this. It's like perfection sound there. And then another Rose Gold. About to put this in my melter tonight. Can't tell when it was poured otherwise. Anyway, so that's it for Columbia Candle Supply. Boop. You can find her on Instagram. This is Etsy, where you place your orders. So she has Instagram and Etsy. I believe she has a Facebook. Can't remember because I don't really go on Facebook that much. But again, Columbia Candle Supply. Do not forget to use your Inky Mac 15. That is a generous discount, guys. Generous. Most folks only give 10% as a discount to non-reps. All right, guys, that's it for Columbia Candle Supply, and I will talk to you guys on the next one.